फाइनली वो सेगमेंट जिसका आप सबको बेसब्री से इंतजार है। मैं तो बॉलीवुड की सबसे बड़ी फैन हूँ और जब भी कोई फिल्म स्टार अपनी फिल्म प्रमोट करने दुबई आते हैं, आई मेक श्योर आई मीट देम। So ladies and gentlemen, High Life Dubai presents an exclusive interview with the gorgeous stars of Bollywood's latest hit film, Rajneeti. We spoke to the leading lady, the very beautiful Katrina Kaif, about her role and the inspiration behind it. Ranbir Kapoor gave us an insight into the character he essayed, and finally, the director and producer Prakash Jha gave us his views on this political thriller. Prakash ji, it's lovely to have you on the show. Politics is one of your favorite subjects. I mean, how did you come up with this story of Rajneeti?
Well, honestly, politics, it's not the kind of favorite subject, but I continuously think about the way society is moving and progressing and changes which come about, and I try and understand, and if some equations become clear to me, I try and work out the story and make a movie and share it with everybody.
Well, in Rajneeti, you've got mainstream actors like Arjun Rampal and Katrina Kaif. How did you think of them, in the film?
I don't know. To me, they are all actors, and if I feel that a particular actor is going to suit the character that I'm working on, I approach them, and it takes me a long time. I cast very instinctively. Like, Arjun Rampal was the first one who was cast for this movie almost 6 years ago. So I go through a process of it, and and I work with my actors not as mainstream actor or art cinema, but like characters who would fit into my characters.
You've had such an amazing journey ever since you've started off in, I think, 1973. Tell us how the film industry has grown and become what it is today.
Well, as the society has grown, as the market has grown, as newer filmmakers have come in, I think, it's become more and more exciting. Today, especially because of the multiplex cinemas, you have all kinds of filmmakers experimenting and doing very well, like Anurag Kashyap or Vishal Bharadwaj, or sort of mainstream cinemas. Imtiaz is there. The new filmmakers making Dibakar Banerjee, it's like all the kind, the experimental cinema is possible, smaller cinema is possible, niche cinema is possible. So I think it's very exciting.
Who are the filmmakers in Hollywood or Bollywood you really look up to?
I think it's work, it's not really filmmakers. I mean, we all do movies, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't work. So it's like, sometimes the movie works, then it's fantastic. I think everybody's intention is to be able to do their best, but sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't.
Rajneeti has been the subject of much controversy in India, but for us it was just great to have met the people who worked so hard to make this film.
Katrina,